everyone. We are at time of the year when budget is just around the corner. Like every year, people do have expectations on what is in store for them from the budget, especially where a common man is concerned. Last year, we saw the finance minister making the new regime as the default tax regime and moving away from the earlier scenario where old regime was the default regime. Let's see what's in store in the current year, whether we see the extension of the same or do we see a grandfathering of the old regime. That only the budget will tell. So far as simplification of processes or some streamlining of policies are concerned, there are expectations that the current budget should look at simplifying some of these processes, whether it is in the context of rationalizing the timelines for the filing of the revised return or the belated return, shifting it to 31st March from 31st December, especially when there are foreign tax credits which are involved, or whether it is in the context of taking treaty relief at the withholding stage, which is a long pending demand. Also, it's important that the tax rules come out with the guidelines on valuation of electric cars or the hybrid cars, because that is where we see a focus of the government in the last couple of years. So far as simplification in processes is concerned, especially when it comes to non-residents, some of the issues that merit consideration are receiving the tax refunds in the overseas accounts or tax payments from the overseas accounts, including an important aspect which is the compliances where property is purchased from a non-resident individual, where there are plethora of compliances such as obtaining a tax deduction account number or filing ETDS returns. Hopefully that should get simplified to meet the compliances requirements which are there if you buy a property from a domestic or from a resident. Let's see what is stored in the budget insofar as these expectations are concerned, whether they are met or not, or to what extent are they met. So let's keep our eyes on 1st of February.